So today our video topic is top 5 practical ways to earn money online for beginners. Number 1 is online selling. According to me, online selling is the best way to earn money online, and believe me, it is much easier than you ever think. So what is online selling, and are we going to make money from online selling? So let me tell you what is online selling. Any product service we sell online in exchange for money is known as online selling. There are many ways to which you can sell product service online. So number 2 is drop shopping. Ever heard about drop shopping before? Yes, then great. If no, don't worry, I am going to tell you everything about drop shopping. Is one of the best ways to earn money online without making any investment. Condition apply. You have to make some sort of investment start your drop shopping business. So number 3 is freelancing. Don't want to invest anything, expert your time and effort. You can start to earn money online by doing freelancing. Many freelancers are earning more than $10,000 each month, and there's an average of top freelancers, and if you have an excellent skill for which you can charge people, then this is for you. So number 4 is blogging. Good at writing, have good writing skill? If yes, you can become a blogger and start making money from the internet. Yeah, if you don't know, you can actually make money online by writing blogs. You can create your own blog in just a few minutes from WordPress and start writing blog. Post articles on your app within good high quality content on your blog. You can activate Google AdSense and start showing ads on your site, and you will get paid. So number 5 is affiliate marketing. The simplest and easiest way to earn money online is affiliate marketing on this list. If you don't know anything about affiliate marketing and show it works, then don't worry, I am here. Affiliate marketing is king of marketing, used by big companies to promote their product and services and make sales. They run an affiliate program for this, and any can join that program for free. Once you become their affiliate partner by signing up for their affiliate program, it's time to promote their product service. You have to promote their product service, and if you some purchase their product from your referral, you got some percentage of the product price sold through your referrals as commission. So these 5 ways to you earn money easily. So I know this video is helpful for you. So goodbye.